Hey nail friends, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but today I'm going to be doing a Pride at Mani and talking about this cuticle oil, You Belong Here. I have the Decals by Melissa, Be Proud of You dip. And these are You're My Rainbow water slides from Decal by Melissa. And then here's the Be Proud of You dip. It's a rainbow foil dip and I love it. So pretty. And then for under my decals, I'm going to be using Summer Snow by Vivid Glam Co. These are one of my few jars with her old labels. Alright, so currently I'm just going to be laying down my white. I like to do any solid colors before I do any glitter or foil dip. I'm going to talk about the You Belong Here scent from Mani Chic Nails. So the You Belong Here scent is florals of cactus bloom, lily, and rose, deepened by notes of creamy coconut, golden ember, sheer musk, and sandalwood. That is how Chrissy has it laid out on the site. I'm terrible at scent descriptions, but to me it just sounds delicious. It's like fruity, a hint of floral, but it's also like a smooth, chic scent, if you get what I'm saying. That's how I would describe it. And proceeds from any product in the You Belong Here scent are donated to the Trevor Project. And that's all year round. That's not just June, by the way. But every order placed in June will be entered into a giveaway by Chrissy. That has a lot of fun Pride themed products. So I know right now she's got a bath towel, a bag, all that great stuff. Definitely join the Facebook group and check it out. Highly recommend. If you have not tried out any of Chrissy's products, I rave about them all the time. My absolute favorite cuticle oil, and I am an ambassador influencer for her. I do have a code to save you some money. It is BRIE10, and I will put that down below. It is an affiliate code, so what that means is I earn a small commission off of however much you put, or I earn a small commission. Let's try that again. I earn a small commission when you use my code. That being said, just because I get paid, I was a long-time customer of almost 2 years before Chrissy asked me to be an ambassador influencer. I have more than enough Mani Chic products around not only my nail room, in my shower, in my car, but by my bedside. We use it all. And I do apologize, I just realized listening back to my voice over that you can hear Apollo chewing his bone in the background. So, love that for me. So currently what I'm doing is I'm going to be putting on this foil dip. So for the first dip of foils, I always like to pour over. And I don't really care if any of the foils stick. For that first layer, the second layer, I lay flat into my little dip cup. And those dip cups are from Rocky Mountain Dip Powder. Way different than the silicone cupcake liners. The powders don't stick in there and like make it all discolored no matter how hard you wash it, like silicone cups. So I have about, I don't know, 8 of them now. I absolutely love them. I just washed some of them last night because I had neglected to do that after doing a few manis and just reusing the same cups, which you can do. It doesn't get contaminated or anything with like your other colors. But I'm just pouring over here. Like I said, I don't care if any of those foils stick at all. It always looks very different on each hand. And then what I'm going to do is go ahead and I'm brushing off any excess, and then I will go back in with a stiff brush to make sure I get off all the ones that are like sticking up and wonky. And this video, you can clearly see I did not do a great job staying in frame. So love that from me. I love foil and flaky dips though. They're just so much fun. If I had to choose between chunky glitter and foil though, I would say chunky glitter. I love me some chunky glitter, but I also love some foils. Alright, so I kind of fast forward to that last part, and I'm just going to show you how I go about doing the second dip. And I'm just making sure I get the glue everywhere so all of those fun foils stick, flakies, whatever you want to call them. Never know the difference, flakies, foils. Alright, and now we're just gonna lay flat, which my hand is monstrous and cover the whole thing. And then what I like to do is take a baggie and press it down so that when I brush it off, they're not all gonna disappear. So here I'm just patting everything down, making sure it's where it's supposed to be. And then I take my precision tool and just clean up my cuticle line and kind of around my side walls. Alright, so I fast forward and did application of the water slide and top coat off camera. Now I'm just going to be applying my cuticle oil and the You Belong Here scent. I highly recommend that you guys grab some to help support the Trevor project in the month of June. It is such a delicious scent. I know I've been kind of absent lately from the YouTube videos. Not that I don't love doing them, but I just don't have the time to dedicate to an actual schedule of when I'm going to be uploading those videos. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. If you have any questions or concerns, whatever, shoot me a comment below, and I'd be happy to help. Such a good scent. Seriously, you need it. You need it. And I'm just rubbing it in all over again. But thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.